we're going to do a quick demo of how to set up your Last9 integration in your LaunchDarkly dashboard. Before we get started, what do you need? Apart from your Last9 account, you need a write token that you can access from the API access page under the settings. What you need is your write refresh token. In our case, I've already copied and kept it for now. You will also need the API base URL, which is from here. And you will need to set up the default cluster for your change events API. In this case, I have currently set it up as app prod health. All right, so we'll set up a new integration here. We click on this. Let's name this as LaunchDarkly test for Last9. The API base URL will come from here. Paste this in here, /v4/organizations, and in our case, the org name is Last9, so I'm putting that here, but you need to pick one that is yours, which you can get it up from right here. Coming back to this, we need the API write token. Let me just quickly grab that. Remember, that is the refresh token itself. For now, for your first integration setup, we will leave the rest as default. And I will click on I have read and agree, save configuration. And now if I look at expand this here, I see LaunchDarkly test for Last9. We'll do a quick validation as well. You can click on this icon over here, click on edit integration configuration, and the same settings panel will open. Scroll down and you click on validate connection. We'll see a test event has been sent now. How do we validate this? We'll quickly switch over to explore in our Last9 dashboard, and you can sort of access it from here. You click on explore here. This opens. We'll go into this tab over here and make sure you have the same cluster, same data source set over here as well. That is there in the default change events cluster. So app prod health here, because what happens is all LaunchDarkly events will be sent to this data source that's been sent over here. This one's here, and now I will put in the query Last9_change_events and run this. Now we can see this here. Last9 change events, action create flag. There's a sample environment key, and you see the event name over there. It's validation. You can see this over here. Event name validation, event name start. So that's how you set up the Last9 integration and do a quick validation on it.